The depths of the ocean are home to a variety of amazing and strange creatures. Hello people, welcome to Stories, Curiosities and Mysteries. Today we will see 10 animals in the depths of the ocean that are most terrifying, fantastic or strangest. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell and leave a good like. It will help a lot to move forward. Well, without further ado, let's get started. Number 10, Dragonfish, also known as black dragonfish, is a species of abyssal fish that lives in the depths of the Atlantic Ocean. The dragonfish is known for its unique and terrifying appearance. It has a long, thin body, usually black or dark brown. Its mouth is large and full of sharp teeth, allowing it to catch prey in the dark depths of the ocean. Their eyes are large and adapted for vision in low light conditions. These fish are found in deep waters, generally at depths ranging between 200 and 2,000 meters. They live in the Atlantic Ocean, from the North Sea to the Gulf of Mexico, and are typically abyssal water species. Due to its deep, dark water habitat, the dragonfish is known to be an opportunistic predator. Its extendable jaw allows it to catch approaching prey. It also has a bioluminescence that allows it to produce its own light to attract prey or to communicate with other dragonfish in the depths. The dragonfish uses its bioluminescence to hunt and camouflage itself. It can produce light on its ventral parts to illuminate prey below it and then quickly swim upward to catch it. It can also emit flashes of light to confuse predators or to attract prey. It is just one of many fascinating deep ocean species that have uniquely adapted to their dark, pressurized environment. Given its inaccessible habitat, research on this species is limited, adding an air of mystery to its biology and behavior. Number 9, Immortal Jellyfish. The immortal jellyfish is one of the names that has been given to a species of jellyfish called Turritopsis dohrnii. This nickname comes from this organism's surprising ability to reverse its aging process and, in theory, live indefinitely in a youthful state. What makes Turritopsis dohrnii so special is its ability to reverse its life cycle. Instead of dying after reaching sexual maturity, like most jellyfish, these jellyfish can return to their polyp stage, the first stage of development after hatching from an egg. This is known as transdifferentiation. From this stage, they can once again develop a colony of young jellyfish and restart their life cycle. This species is found in various places around the world, although it is most common in temperate and tropical waters. It has been observed in the Mediterranean Sea, the Caribbean Sea and the coasts of Japan, among other places. This ability to reverse aging is believed to be a survival strategy that allows them to avoid death due to injury, illness, or lack of food. However, it is unclear how common it is for jellyfish to actually manage to live indefinitely in the wild, as they still face threats such as predators and other environmental risks. Number 8, Blue Dragonfish, also known as the blue sea dragon. It is a small and fascinating marine creature that belongs to the group of nudibranch, a type of shellless gastropod mollusk. The blue dragonfish is known for its strikingly beautiful appearance and its intense blue on top and silver on the bottom. It has a flattened and elongated body shape, which can measure around 3 centimeters in length. This species is found in temperate and tropical oceans, including the Atlantic and Indian Oceans. It lives on the surface of the ocean and is found floating face up. The blue dragonfish is a pelagic organism, meaning it spends most of its life in open water, often drifting with ocean currents. It is carnivorous and feeds on a variety of prey, including jellyfish, siphonophores and other gelatinous organisms. It has a unique hunting strategy, as it feeds on toxic prey and can store nematocysts from its prey to use in its own defense. Despite its beauty, the blue dragonfish is a predator and also has defense mechanisms. It can store the stinging cells of the jellyfish it feeds on and release them when threatened, providing it with an effective defense against predators. It is a fascinating creature that demonstrates the diversity of adaptations in the marine world. Its beautiful appearance and unique behavior make it an object of interest to scientists and marine life enthusiasts alike. Number 7, Lanternfish. is commonly used to refer to several species of fish that have bioluminescent organs that allow them to produce light in their environment. These fish use their bioluminescence to attract prey, communicate with other fish, camouflage themselves, and defend themselves from predators. The most distinctive characteristic of lanternfish is their ability to produce light. These fish contain specialized cells called photophores that emit light through a chemical reaction involving luciferases and luciferins. The light they produce can vary in color and brightness depending on the species. Lanternfish are found in a variety of marine habitats, from surface waters to the deep ocean. Some species live in coastal waters, while others are found in abyssal areas, where sunlight does not penetrate. Some of the most well-known species of lanternfish include the deepwater lanternfish, the shallow-water lanternfish, and the blackmouth abyssal fish, among others. Bioluminescence plays a crucial role in the life of lanternfish. They use their ability to produce light to attract small prey to their mouths, to communicate with other members of their species, and to camouflage themselves in their dark surroundings. The diet of lanternfish varies depending on the species and habitat. Some feed on plankton and other small organisms, while some are predators that hunt other fish and smaller marine organisms. Number 6, Pelican fish, commonly known as black pelican fish, is a species of abyssal fish that lives in the depths of the ocean. These fish are notable for their unique appearance and their adaptation to the extreme habitat of the abyssal depths. It has a long, slender body, with a huge mouth that resembles that of a pelican, which earned it its common name. Its mouth is extremely wide and flexible, allowing it to swallow larger prey in proportion to its own body. It is covered in black skin, and is often described as a serpentine fish. These fish live in the depths of the ocean, specifically in the abyssal zone, where sunlight does not penetrate and the pressure is extremely high. They are generally found at depths ranging between 500 and 2,500 meters, although they have also been recorded at even greater depths. It is a predator that feeds mainly on other fish and marine organisms from the abyssal depths. It uses its wide mouth and swallowing ability to capture prey that falls from surface waters. It is bioluminescent. It has luminous organs on its body that can produce light, which can be useful for attracting prey or communicating in the dark environment of the abyssal depths. Information on the reproduction of this species is limited due to its inaccessible habitat. It is believed that they lay eggs that float in deep water and that the young develop in these extreme conditions. Number 5, Eel Shark, is a family of cartilaginous fish found in the depths of the ocean, specifically in the abyssal zone. These fish are part of the order Hexanchoformes and have unique characteristics that differentiate them from other sharks. Eel sharks are characterized by their long, thin body, which resembles that of an eel. They have a single dorsal fin and a very long anal fin that extends the length of their body. Their skin is generally dark in color and may be covered with small scales. They inhabit deep, dark waters of the oceans, typically at depths ranging between 200 and 2,500 meters. They are most common in the bathypelagic zone and the abyssal zone, where light conditions are minimal and pressure is extremely high. Eel sharks are predators that feed on a variety of prey, including fish, crustaceans and other marine organisms found in the abyssal depths. They are able to swallow prey whole due to their large mouth and sharp teeth. Like many other inhabitants of the abyssal depths, eel sharks are bioluminescent. They have luminous cells in their skin that allow them to produce light to attract prey or communicate in the dark. Information on the reproduction of eel sharks is limited due to their inaccessible habitat. It is believed that they lay eggs and that the hatchlings develop in these extreme conditions before emerging into the ocean. They are mysterious creatures that demonstrate the unique adaptations that marine life has developed to survive in one of the most extreme environments on the planet. Number 4, Oarfish. These fish are known for their extremely long and narrow bodies, which give them a distinctive and fascinating appearance. The oarfish is famous for its elongated and narrow body shape, resembling an oar or a long ribbon. Its body can reach exceptional lengths, with some individuals recorded as being up to 11 meters, although the majority measure between 3 and 5 meters. They have a very reduced skeletal structure and long dorsal fins that extend along their back. Oarfish are found in deep water oceans throughout the world, from tropical waters to cold waters. They usually live in deep waters that vary in depth depending on the species and geographical location. Due to their deep water habitat, little is known about the behavior of oarfishes in their natural environment. However, they are believed to be pelagic fish that move in the deep layers of the ocean and can migrate over considerable distances. Oarfish are carnivorous and feed on a variety of prey found in the deep ocean. Their diet may include smaller fish, squid, and planktonic marine organisms. Some species of oarfish have bioluminescent organs throughout their bodies. This bioluminescence could serve to attract prey, communication, or even camouflage in the dark depths of the ocean. Number 3. Abyssal Blobfish. The abyssal blobfish, or simply a blobfish, is a species of fish that lives in the depths of the ocean, specifically on the Australian continent and the coasts of Tasmania. It is often mentioned as one of the strangest and most peculiar fish due to its unusual appearance. The blobfish has a distinctive appearance characterized by its flaccid, gelatinous body. Its skin is very loose, which gives it its wrinkled appearance and allows it to survive in the high pressures of the abyssal depths of the ocean. Due to its lack of muscular structure, the blobfish appears to have a sad, droopy face, which has led to it being called the ugliest fish in the world on some occasions. Blobfish are found in deep water, generally at depths ranging from 600 to 1,200 meters. These depths are known as the bathypelagic or abyssal zone, where the pressures are extremely high and the temperature is cold. To survive in the high pressures of the abyssal depths, the blobfish has a gelatinous structure that allows it to maintain its buoyancy. Its body is less dense than the surrounding water, allowing it to float effortlessly. Although the blobfish's exact diet is not fully documented, it is believed to feed on small marine organisms, such as crustaceans and mollusks, that float near the abyssal depths. Because it lives in deep waters and is not a commercially exploited species, the blobfish does not face significant threats from human activity. However, bycatch can affect this species if trawl nets reach the depths where it is found. Number 2. Viper fish. Viper fish, of the genus Calliodus, are marine predatory fish that live in deep waters of oceans around the world. These fish belong to the Stomiidae family, also known as lanternfish due to their bioluminescence. Viper fish have a peculiar and distinctive appearance. They have long, thin bodies, with sharp teeth and fangs protruding from their jaws. Their mouths are very large in relation to the size of their bodies, which allows them to swallow larger prey. These fish inhabit the deep ocean, generally at depths ranging between 200 and 2,000 meters, although some species can be found deeper. They prefer to live in dark and cold areas, where the pressure is high and sunlight does not penetrate. Like other lanternfish, snakefish are bioluminescent, meaning they can produce their own light. They have luminous organs on their bodies that allow them to emit flashes of light to attract prey, communicate with other members of their species, or camouflage themselves in their dark environment. Adderfish are voracious predators that feed on a variety of prey, including other fish, cephalopods, and other marine organisms. They use their bioluminescence to draw prey into their mouths before catching them with their extendable jaws. The reproduction of viper fish takes place in the depths of the ocean. It is believed that they lay eggs that float in deep water and the young develop in that environment. Relatively little is known about their life cycle and reproductive behavior due to their inaccessible habitat. Number 1. Barali abyssal fish. The Barali abyssal fish, scientifically known as Macropina microstoma, is a species of abyssal fish that lives in the depths of the ocean. These fish are known for their unique characteristics and remarkable adaptations to their dark and extreme environment. The most distinctive feature of the Barali fish is its transparent head and transparent skull. Its body is small, thin, and approximately 15 centimeters in length. The eyes are at the top of their head and are tubular, allowing them to look upward. Because of this feature, the eyes look like glass barrels or domes, hence the name Barali. Barali fish live deep in the ocean, usually at depths ranging from 600 to 800 meters, although they are sometimes found deeper. These depths are known as the mesopelagic zone or twilight zone, where sunlight decreases dramatically and pressure is high. In addition to their unusual tubular eyes, Barali fish are also bioluminescent. They have luminous organs in their head and body that allow them to produce light. They are thought to use this bioluminescence to attract prey and communicate with other fish in the dark depths. Barali fish feed on a variety of prey, including small marine organisms and particles of organic matter that fall from surface waters into the depths. They use their tubular eyes to search and track their prey from below. Although information on the reproduction of Barali fish in their natural environment is limited, it is believed that they follow reproductive strategies common to other deep-sea fish. They lay eggs that float in deep water, where embryos develop before hatching. It is one of the many fascinating creatures that live in the depths of the ocean. Its unique characteristics, including its tubular eyes and transparent head, make it an object of interest to marine scientists and lovers of marine life. And these are just some of the fascinating and often strange creatures that live in the depths of the ocean. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Until next time.